Okay, so let's start with the analysis. We are on BTC, 4-hour chart, normal candles, Japanese candles, not normal. Okay, so this is a bit messy. Right here, we explain every element and we'll be taking it out so we can make it more clear. Here we have the support zone that has been retested 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And here we have our resistance zone that is being tested like only 2 times. Maybe if we can count here as a third one, and this last one as a fourth one. Okay, but that they didn't really touch the resistance zones. They didn't take the liquidity out of it. So okay, we can count it, but it's not as strong as these ones, for example. Okay, so here we have our trend line that was broken, but this was a fake out. When it touched support, it went back up, and here it was respected. Here it was respected in confluence with the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level and the golden zone here. Right now, we've seen that Bitcoin has moved up a little bit after being rejected from the support zone, and it seems like he wants the liquidity of the resistance zone. We can see that here there has been a manipulative movement in which the liquidity of the downside was taken and also the liquidity of the upside was taken. Here in this candle we see there's a small rejection of this small support zone, but it's nothing really important. After continuing, I'm going to clean that. I'm going to clean the Fibonacci. I'm going to clean the trend line because I want to show you some indicators that might help you and that I use also as a confluence in the analysis. Here I have the first one, the easy algo. The easy algo is a paid indicator that I use sometimes. This is not a partnership or a paid advertisement. It's just some tool that I use sometimes to do the analysis more quickly. You don't need it to do the analysis. I'm going to explain a little bit right now, but you don't need it to do the analysis. It's a paid indicator that helps you save time, but it's not essential to do the technical analysis. Okay, you can do it for free manually, but if you are interested, there's a link in the description below if you want to get it, but I tell you it's not necessary. You can use it and it's okay. It helps you save some time, but if you don't want to use it, it's okay also. You can see these lines. There are automatic support and resistance lines of the easy algo. It helps you be more sure about your analysis, your manual analysis with the drawing the support zones. And here you can see this red line here. Well, I'm going to delete my manual support and resistance so you can see it. Here we delete it, here I delete it. You can see these lines, they act also as support and resistances. They are good for knowing when to be ready to trade a good risk to reward trades. If the price comes down to a support zone, it's a good place to see if there are enough confluences to enter long, and the same way with the shorts and the resistance zones. Okay, here we have some points that mark possible reversals, and here we can see in these circles are buy or sell signals that are used as confirmation. We also have the ribbon, a blue and red ribbon, also for confirmations. The main thing about this indicator are the automatic support and resistance lines. Personally, I prefer to do it manually, and this is a confirmation tool for support and resistances. And as I said, this is not a paid sponsorship, but if you want to get it, there's a link in the description, and you have all the information about this indicator that helps trading with the supports and resistance drawings that are quite accurate, to be honest. The other thing that is very important for my trading, I will show it to you after showing the new partner that we have in the channel. Before continuing with the analysis, I want to talk about our partner Fairdisk. Fairdisk is a top... No. Before continuing with the analysis, I want to talk about our new partner Fairdisk. Fairdisk is a top derivatives trading platform in the crypto world. If you look at Fairdisk, they have a multitude amount of different tokens to trade futures up to 125x. They also have spot trading and an earn tab that allows you to passively earn cryptocurrency. I really like it because it is easy to use and very trustworthy. They really prioritize security, performance, reliability, and support. The Fairdisk exchange is actually created from previous Binance executives and people from the Morgan Stanley Group. They also have key licenses like the US MSB license and the Canada MSB license, so they won't have any regulatory issues. Besides, they have lower fees than other crypto exchanges. The main thing you probably want to know is how you can benefit from this partnership. Well, right now, Fairdisk is offering you up to a $600 deposit bonus after you make your first deposit of $100 or more with any type of cryptocurrency or equivalent. You can use the bonus as real money to trade in Fairdisk, and you can withdraw the profits from those trades. You can also use it to help offset some of the trading fees, and you can deduct up to 60% of trading losses. How you can get it? Very easy. You deposit $100 or more, and normally you would receive 4% of the transferred amount back as bonus, up to $600. But for this channel audience, we increase it to 5%, only if you sign up with the first link in the description down below. And not only that, if you sign up with the link in the description down below, you will be automatically upgraded to the level VIP 1. Apart from that, you can see here that there is also a KYC bonus and a trading bonus if you surpass these requirements. I am a Fairdisk user myself. As you can see here, this is my wallet, this is my account, and here you can see the bonus. This is my bonus. So if you want to earn those bonuses, click on the first link in the description down below, sign up to Fairdisk, and start making profits right now. Okay, so back with the analysis, I want to show you another very useful indicator, that is the divergence for many indicators. You can take it here in indicators. You go to indicators, you type divergence for many indicators before by lonesome. Okay, and you will see something like this. In the settings, I recommend that you check the don't wait for confirmation. Okay, and here you have all the divergences that there is on the different indicators, but only in one square. Okay, here we have 6 different divergences. Okay, in the MFI, then the volume, in the MOM, in the stochastic, and the RSI, and the MACD. And here also divergences on the resistance zone, here on the support zone, that here on the histogram, and the MOM. So this is very useful in confluence with the easy algo zones and the support and resistance zones. If you have a divergence or a square with several divergences, it's more likely that a long occurs if you are at support and a short occurs if you're at resistance. So this is a very useful free tool to help you with the analysis. And if you don't want to use the easy algo, you also have the manual drawing that is what I prefer of the support and resistance zone. If the price is at support zone, and here you can see a lot of divergences, it's more likely that the price is going to go long. It's never 100%. It's never sure, but it's more likely. Remember that trading is a game of probability. You will not be 100% certain and sure, and you won't do 100% winning trades ever, but you have to play with probabilities, and this is a very good chance that a long is going to happen. Okay, so that's it for now. Stay tuned for more analysis. We'll be analyzing in future videos Ethereum and also altcoins, and we'll look into more indicators and more strategies, and of course our daily update about Bitcoin and crypto in general. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe.